In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add vertical text in Elementor. This tutorial is perfect if you're looking to create a more dynamic and engaging design for your website. It's a great way to make certain elements stand out and add a unique touch to your layout. Let's dive in and get started. First, you need to add either a text or heading widget to your page. To do this, simply open your Elementor editor, and within your dashboard, drag and drop the text or heading widget onto the section where you want your vertical text to appear. This initial step is crucial because it forms the foundation for your vertical text effect. You'll want to think about the placement of this element on your web page, ensuring it complements the other content and aligns with your design vision. Once you've added the widget, navigate to the Advanced tab in the Elementor panel. Here, you're provided with various options to customize the widget further. The next move is to set the positioning of this widget to absolute. This positioning mode allows you to place the widget anywhere on the page without following the default flow of the document. Absolute positioning is particularly useful when you want to have full control over the exact placement of an element, and it's essential for achieving that vertical look we're aiming for. Now, to make that text vertical, we need to add a CSS class. You can name this class whatever feels intuitive to remember, but for this tutorial, let's call it Vertical. Adding a CSS class allows you to apply custom styling to this widget, crucial for the transformation from horizontal to vertical presentation. If you happen to be using an HTML widget for this process, there's an additional step. You'll need to wrap a style tag around your vertical transformation code within the HTML widget. This tagging tells the browser how to interpret the styling you'll be applying. Once you've done that, go ahead and apply the vertical class you just created to your widget. With all that set up, you're almost there. The next step is to fine-tune the absolute positioning to place the text exactly where you want it. You'll have the flexibility to move the text around your page, tweaking the settings in the Advanced tab until it fits perfectly within your design. Whether you want the text at the edge of the page, alongside an image, or strategically placed across sections, absolute positioning gives you the versatility to get it just right. And that's it. By following these steps, you've now successfully added vertical text to your Elementor project. This feature can significantly enhance your design's visual interest, helping to guide your viewers' attention and creating a memorable browsing experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you in bringing a new dimension to your web designs.